Most relationships don't break because of one big betrayal. They break because of 100 small moments where honesty was missing. I'm Izu Godfrey. This is Relationship Intelligence, the space where we unpack the unspoken, rebuild trust, and master the quiet habits that keep connection strong. Because when you choose honesty, healing becomes possible. Most people think trust breaks all at once, but it doesn't. It cracks in the small, silent moments long before the big betrayal. Think about it. It's not just a lie, it's the moments before that, when someone stopped answering text on time, when they changed their tone, when their words felt rehearsed, not real. You know those moments. So it's when you start sensing something and they kept saying, everything is fine. Trust isn't built in grand gestures, it's built in micro moments. When you tell the truth, even when it's awkward, when you admit, I messed up, before you're caught, when you ask, how are you really doing? And actually care about the answer. Yeah, you know those moments. But here's the question. Can honesty fix it after the damage is done? Yes, but not instantly. Honesty after a mistake is like sunlight after the storm. It doesn't undo the flooding, but it helps keep things dry. It's the starting point, not the solution. You need to understand that. If you've broken someone's trust, stop explaining. Start showing. Be consistent. Be clear. Be patient. Don't just say you're trustworthy. Become someone they can trust again. Slowly, through 1,000 little moments. Yes, I know it takes time. And if you're the one who's been hurt, you don't have to rebuild overnight. Take your time. Pay attention to patterns, not promises. Because real trust is quiet. It is slow. But when it's real, it's worth it. This is Relationship Intelligence, where we unpack the unspoken. If this hits home, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Till I see you again, I'm Izu Godfrey. Thank you.